Hey associates, for this week's weekly overview as we head into week 13, which is April 13th through the 19th, I'm gonna do something a little bit different. You're gonna watch me decorate my bullet journal while I talk about it. So yeah, let me know if you think it's helpful to have just like kind of random other things on the screen when I talk, if it's more interesting, or if you like when I just talk straight to camera. I'm definitely curious, but here we go. So week 13 is all about analytical reports, basically technical reports that are focused on analyzing information leading to actions and decisions. So they are kind of a special sort of subtype of technical report, but a pretty general common type. This is where recommendation reports, feasibility reports, evaluative reports, all of those kind of fall into play. And of course, recommendation report is one of your options. So if you're going to do that option, especially, you want to take careful notes and refer back to this chapter. So the mini lecture this week is actually me basically doing self-evaluation on my example of the recommendation report. Now, if you're not doing the recommendation report option, don't tune this out. Instead, watch it and think about and notice how I am critiquing and evaluating myself and really looking back at my own document using a rubric, trying to think about what is good, what is not working as the core process that you should follow or you could follow to self-evaluate any piece of writing that you work on. Whether it's, oh, I have to submit a proposal to this special request, like you could use the same process that I'm showing in the mini lecture to help you check your own work, no matter what it is you're working on. So think about it from that point of view. Then your readings, and then your document analysis this week is a student example of the recommendation report. One of the best student examples that have come through the class in the 3 years that I've been teaching it. So definitely a like top tier, top notch example of what you are striving for and working on. In the lab, we are going to focus on practicing setting up analytical frameworks and using criteria to kind of get through that. And then we will also be working on and going through some Word and Google Doc tools that you'll need to complete your formal reports. Otherwise, it's a very calm week. Nothing is due outside of our regular standard participation that's due and that's going on. And I definitely hope that I see you in lab and in class. Attendance has, been kind of going down a little bit. I know it's that time of the semester. And that's fine. It's your education, but definitely recommend showing up to lab to get some good hands-on activities, practice with stuff, hearing more insights, and a chance to ask your specific questions. All right. Bye, associates. Vibes.